All right, guys, what's up? 2018 Leaf autograph football jersey, one box break, number 31. Run down the team list, which will only take a second, and then we'll get going. Noe has the Rams, Randy has the Dolphins, and Luciano has everybody else. Luciano wants this jersey tonight bad. All right, you three guys, good luck. Let's find out what we got. Again, that's Noe with the Rams, Randy with the Dolphins, and Luciano with the remainder of the teams. All right, guys, here we go. Tonight's jersey goes to the Saints. Mark Ingram for the Saints. There's your auto. Mark Ingram for the Saints. Luciano takes it home. Congrats, man. I'll ship that out on Monday for you. I appreciate it, guys. I'll be back live at 11 o'clock Central for the Spectra break. I'll see you then.